So out and about, in between jobs, getting some quotes done. Big commercial. Well, it's a residential property, but it's a commercial contract. Let's see. Big enough area. Very simple. Just grass cut and weed killer applied. Weed killer applied 4 times for the season. Trying to figure out some of the best ways on this job here, because it's just a very simple maintenance cut. Yep, put more here. This will be his office. Patch here. None of the shrubs and hedges. Not been asked the price for that, which is fine because perfect for me, wanting to just focus on the grass. Around the other side here, more grass over there. It's a pretty big area actually to be looking after for. Anyway, so more grass here. I can see the lines from whoever the current contractor is or the previous contractor. Doing this all by Pushmore. Now looking at this for me, I think mulch. I think it's every 10 days the grass is to be cut here. So I'm looking at it thinking to myself, mulching would be a good option for me. Less grass to take away, regularly cut, and that keeps on top of it. It's already full of moss anyway, so it'll make life easier to price it, make life easier to maintain it. But with the back areas, I can use my mulch more, and on these bigger, larger areas, I can just use the ride-on with the mulch plug. I think that would fly through the job a lot quicker. So, yeah. Down there. There.